In this video, we will understand what is Linux. Linux is an operating system, just like Windows, iOS, and macOS. In fact, one of the most popular platforms on the planet, Android, is powered by the Linux operating system. An operating system is software that manages all of the hardware resources associated with your desktop or laptop. To put it simply, the operating system manages the communication between your software and your hardware. Without the operating system, the software won't function. Linux has been around since the mid 90s. Linux is everywhere. It's in your phone, your thermostat, your car, your refrigerator. What if I told you that the Linux kernel has been shipped and used in over 3 billion devices? A huge number, isn't it? Well, Linux is everywhere. You may or may not have used Linux, but you would have come across Linux many times without even knowing it. For example, Android, the world's most popular operating system, is based on Linux. And not just mobiles and laptops, Linux is found everywhere. There is a good chance that the coffee vending machine that you got your coffee from, the printer that you use from printing your photos, the television that you are watching, or even the smartwatch that you are wearing has some form of Linux. So in today's world, most Linux distributions come with an attractive graphical user interface with a lot of applications pre-installed. Once you understand the fundamental of using Linux, it will be easier for you to adopt a lot of different technologies. In the world of computers and programming, you simply cannot escape coming across Linux. You may hit a Linux-like server, when you are probably developing a web application or creating a mini IoT project at home or fetching data from a database, or maybe even when you are creating a game for your mobile. So spending some time in learning the fundamental of Linux is certainly worth your time. After all, Linux is free and open source.